Children, let us start the chapter polynomials. So what is polynomial? A polynomial in one variable in x is an algebraic expression of the form p of x equals an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 so on plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0. Here a0, a1, a2, so on, an are constants. An is not equals to 0 and you can write in the place of p of x, you can write r of x also, q of x also, etc. So that is the symbol for the polynomial in x. It may be p of x or r of x or q of x. Now you take the examples of the polynomial 2x. Here 2x, and that is a polynomial of the first degree, and x square plus 2x, x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7, 3y square plus 5y plus 2, t square plus 4, all these are the examples of polynomials. Now terms of the polynomial. Here 2x, x square plus 2x, x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7. These are the terms. For example, you take x square plus 2x. Here the terms are x square and 2x. And in the polynomial 3y square plus 5y plus 2, the terms are 3y square, 5y and 2. These are the terms. And if you take this, here 2x is one term, and in x square plus 2x the terms are x square and 2x. In the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7, the terms are x cube, x square, 4x and 7. These are the term. And in the polynomial 3y square plus 5y plus 2, the terms are 3y square, 5y, 2. And in the polynomial t square plus 4, the terms are t square and 4x. Now, one more word, coefficient. In the polynomial, number which is together with the terms is called coefficients. Number with the term. So you take the examples of the polynomial x square plus 2x plus 5. Here x square, it is on term. Together with the x square there is 1. So the coefficient of x square is 1 here. And coefficient of x is 2. Here the coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of x square is 1 here. So here what is coefficient? The number which is together with the term is called the coefficient. Next, different types of polynomial. Different types of polynomial are constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. Now let us see the constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? Polynomial having one term only. Polynomial having only one term, that is consisting of a constant, is called a constant polynomial. Example 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 8 0. Here 2 is one constant polynomial. Minus 1 by 3, it is also one constant polynomial. Minus 8, it is also constant polynomial. 0, it is also constant polynomial. So what is the speciality here? There is only one term. That term is also a number, that is constant. In this way, the polynomial having one term, that is having a constant, that is having a number, is called constant polynomial. The next one is zero polynomial. So what is zero polynomial? The constant polynomial 0. Here the number must be 0, then it is called zero polynomial. Polynomial having only one term, that is 0, is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is also constant polynomial, but here the speciality is the term is the constant, that is 0. Monomial. Mono, you know the word. The meaning of mono is single, only one. So what is monomial? Monomial is a polynomial having only one term. Polynomial having only one term is called monomial. Examples: x square, it is one monomial. M cube, it is one monomial. 2x square, here it is also having only one term, so it is monomial. Minus 8, it is also polynomial having one term, and it is also monomial. So what is monomial? Polynomial having only one term. It may be constant or it may be algebraic term. Next, binomial. Bi means two. Polynomial having two terms is called binomial. See the polynomial 2x square plus 2. Here there are two terms, 2x square and 2. So it is binomial. In the polynomial x square plus x, there are two terms, x square and x. So it is also binomial. X square plus y square, it is having the two terms, x square and y square. So it is also binomial. And in the polynomial 2xy plus y square, two terms are there. 2xy is one term and y square is one term. So it is also binomial. Next, trinomial. So what is trinomial? Tri, you know the word. What is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3. Then you can say that polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. Polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. See, the polynomial x to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus x. Here the 3 terms are there, so it is a trinomial. And in the polynomial y square plus y plus 5, there are 3 terms, y square and y and 5. So this is also trinomial. And x cube plus x square plus 6, here also there are 3 terms, so it is also trinomial. P square minus p plus 1, it is also trinomial. Next, about the degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is the degree of a polynomial. See the polynomial y cube minus 2y plus root 2. Here the variable is y and its highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. Therefore, the degree of y cube minus 2y plus root 2 is 3. So what is the degree of root 2 minus x cube plus y x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 6? Its highest power is 6. The variable is x and its highest power is 6. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial root 2 minus x cube plus x to the power of 5 plus 2x power 6 is 6 here. The degree of 2x plus root 3. Here the variable is x. Its highest power is 1. 2x means 2x to the power of 1. So the degree of 2x plus root 3 is 180. Next, the degree of x cube minus x to the power of 5 plus 3. See the highest power here. What is the highest power of this polynomial? That is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is also 5. So the degree of x cube minus x to the power of 5 plus 3 is 5. The degree of 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2y power 8, y to the power of 8. The highest power is, here there are 4 terms and the variable is y, and the highest power of the variable among all these 4 terms is 8. So the degree of 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2y to the power of 8 is 8 here. So degree of the polynomial in 2 or more variables. Here this is, in all these examples only one variable is there. Therefore the highest power of that variable we are taking as a degree. Now if the polynomial is having 2 or more variable, in this case, in the case of a polynomial in more than one variable, the sum of the powers of the variables in each term is taken up, and the highest sum so obtained is called the degree of the polynomial. If the polynomial is having 2 or more variables, To find the degree of the polynomial, we have to add the power of each variable in each term. And the sum, which is maximum, that becomes the degree of the related polynomial. So you consider here. Here it is 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x square y cube plus 8. Here there are two variables. So here if you add this to the power 2 and 3, that becomes 2 plus 3, and the degree is here 5. And you take 8a to the power of 9b, 6ab minus 8. Here the variables are 2. A and b are the two variables. And the degree is here, you add, the power is 9. Here b is having the power 1. So the degree becomes 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. The degree of the polynomial 8a power 9b plus 6ab minus 8 is 10. Classification of the polynomials according to their degree. You know the different types of polynomial: constant polynomial and monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. Now here the classification of the polynomials according to their degree. According to their power, the polynomials are named as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, etc. Now, what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. So, what is linear polynomial? Polynomial of degree 1 means the highest power of the variable in the polynomial is 1. Here you take some examples. 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is a linear polynomial. Even though it is having two terms, it is a binomial and it is a linear polynomial. Why it is linear polynomial? Here the variable x is there. Its highest power is 1. Highest power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. And y plus 6. Y is a variable. Its highest power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Y plus 6 is also linear polynomial. P plus 3. Variable is p. Its highest power is 1. So it is linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is having the degree 1. The variable in the linear polynomial is having the highest power 1. Next you take the quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Here you take AB plus BC. Here there are two variables. The power of each variable is 1, 1. So if you add them, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So AB plus BC, its highest power is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. In x square plus 2x plus 1. Here only one variable is there. That is x. Its highest power is 2. Its highest power is 2. So it is also quadratic polynomial. Then you come to the polynomial x square plus 7x minus 6y. Here the variable is x and the highest power is 2. Here x square means highest power is 2. 7x is there, its power is 1, and out of 2 and 1 the highest is 2. So the highest power of the variable is 2. It is also quadratic polynomial. Now the next one is cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 3. The highest power of the variable is 3. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. So you take the examples of cubic polynomial. First one is x cube plus 3x square is a cubic polynomial. Why? Here the variable is x. Its highest power is 3 here. Here in the first term x cube is there, the power is 3. In the second term 3x square is there, the power is 2. The highest power is 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. ABC. ABC is also cubic polynomial. Why? Here there are three variables and their power is 1, 1, 1. If you add them, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. So ABC is a cubic polynomial. Next you take the polynomial x cube plus x square plus 1. Here also the variable x is having the highest power 3. Here the powers 2 is there, power 3 is also there, the highest power is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. This is about the cubic polynomial. In this way, according to their degree, you can name them as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, etc. Next, let us take the value of a polynomial. What is value of a polynomial? Value of a polynomial p of x at x equals a is p of a. Means here in the place of a you are taking, in the place of x you are taking a. Take the example here. Here the given polynomial is p of x equals 2x plus 3. Then at x equals 1, here the value of a is 1. Then the value becomes p of x becomes p of 1. That is, in the place of x we have to take 1. So it becomes 2 into 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. This 5 is the value of p of x. 5 is the value of p of x at x equals 1. So you got the value of p of x at x equals 1. Similarly, take one more example. P of x equals x square plus 2x plus 3. So what is the value of p of x at x equals 2? Then here you put the value of x, that is 2. That is nothing but p of 2. P of 2 becomes 2 into, that is x square, means it becomes, x square means 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3 it is. Then it becomes 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3. It becomes 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So this 11 is the value of the polynomial p of x at x equals 2. At x equals 2. In this way, here the value of a polynomial p of x at x equals a is a p of a. If you got p of a, then becomes, that is the value of the polynomial at x equals a. Here you got p of 2, that is 11. 11 is the value of the p of x at x equals 2. And 5 is nothing but p of 1. That is the value of p of x at x equals 1. In this way, here at the given value of x, you will get the value of p of x. The next concept is 0 of a polynomial. So what is 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial, p of x is a number a such that p of a is equals to 0. Here, if p of x becomes 0 with p of a, then a is called the 0 of a polynomial. A is called the 0 of a polynomial if p of a is equals to 0. So 0 of a polynomial is also called root of a polynomial. 0 is also called its root. A polynomial can have more than one 0. A polynomial can have more than one 0, and also 0 may be, 0 of a polynomials may be 0 or any other number. 0 of a polynomial may be 0 or any other number. A non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. Already it is a number and here it is not having variable. So you can say that it is not having root. So a non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. Linear polynomial has one and only one 0. Means it is having only one root. Linear polynomial is having only one root, only one 0. quadratic polynomial has 2 roots and cubic polynomial has 3 roots. Therefore, you can conclude that maximum number of zeros of polynomial equals degree of the polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 4, it is having 4 zeros. If the degree of the polynomial is 5, it is having 5 zeros. So, the number of zeros of a polynomial depends upon its highest power. Let us take some example here. Consider the polynomial p of x is equals to x plus 3. So, if you take x equals minus 3, then p of minus 3 becomes x value is minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x equals minus 3 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x equals x plus 3 because p of minus 3 is 0 here. So, x equals minus 3 is called the root of the polynomial x plus 3. Now, you take one more example. P of y is equals to y square minus 2. P of y is equals to y square minus 2. Here, now you take y is equals to 2 or minus 2. So, P of 2 becomes 2 square minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So, this y is equals to 2 is a root of the polynomial p of y is equals to y square minus 4 because p of 2 is 0. Now, you take p of minus 2. P of minus 2 that is equals to minus 2 whole square minus 4. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 4 is equals to 0. Then minus 2 is also root of the polynomial y square minus 4. So, here as the power is 2, it is having 2 roots, 2 zeros. Which are the 2 zeros here? 2 and minus 2. Therefore, p of y is equals to y square minus 4 is having 2 roots or 2 zeros. They are 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2 are the roots of the polynomial p of y is equals to y square minus 4. In the first example, you know that is a linear polynomial. P of x is equals to x plus 3 and it is having only one root, that is minus 3. The root of the polynomial p of x equals x plus 3 is minus 3 because p of minus 3 is 0 here. In this way, you can clarify that number of zeros of polynomial equals degree of that polynomial.